Welcome to the Green Nest Sunflower Shoots video. We're excited to introduce you to the King of Minerals, a powerful microgreen that can elevate both your health and your dishes. Today we'll cover the basics of microgreens and the sunflower story. Then we'll dive deep into the nutrition and culinary versatility of these sunnies, followed by ordering and care tips and a promotion kit. Let's begin with Section 01, Understanding Microgreens, starting with what makes them so unique. Microgreens are nature's multivitamin. Harvested within 7 to 14 days, they are nutrient-dense, containing up to 40 times more vitamins than their mature counterparts, all while offering a concentrated gourmet flavor. A shoot moves through 5 stages: seed, sprout, microgreen, baby leaf, and mature plant. At Green Nest, we harvest at the microgreen stage, the sweet spot, on day 10 for peak crunch and nutrition. Next, let's look at Section 02, the sunflower story, highlighting the origin and characteristics of the sunflower seed. The sunflower, Helianthus annuus, is an ancient seed indigenous to North America. Our sunflower shoots come from premium, non-GMO, organic black oil seeds to ensure the purest sunny experience and superior flavor. Thanks to a fast 10-day growth cycle, we can efficiently deliver live energy to your doorstep every week. This precision harvesting means maximum freshness, local sourcing, and no long farm-to-table travel times. The flavor experience of our shoots is exceptional. They are nutty, with creamy undertones, crunchy due to their thick stems, and finished with a bright, sweet freshness that cleanses the palate. Moving on to Section 03, Benefits and Power, let's uncover why these shoots are called the King of Minerals. These sunnies are an immune booster, packed with zinc for cell division, high vitamin E as a potent antioxidant, and folic acid for heart health. They also provide a complete protein for muscle repair. Sunflower shoots are the chef's secret weapon. They offer superior texture and bulk, holding their crunch under dressings and heat. Their thick stems and heart-shaped leaves also provide instant visual appeal to any plate. Our local and vertical farming model represents sustainability in action. We use 95% less water than traditional lettuce. Plus, our local footprint ensures zero carbon emissions from long-haul shipping. Finally, we enter Section 04, Nutritional Accuracy. Here, we compare the nutritional profile of sunflower shoots to common greens. Per 100 grams, sunflower shoots significantly outperform spinach and iceberg lettuce. Note the high levels of vitamin E, zinc, and B6, confirming their status as a powerhouse of concentrated nutrients. The nutrient density index clearly shows sunflower shoots at a score of 95 out of 100, far surpassing kale, spinach, and lettuce. They provide up to 40 times the nutritional value of iceberg lettuce by weight. Now, let's explore Section 05, How to Consume, where we share innovative and delicious ways to integrate these shoots into your menu. First, the ultimate salad base. Forget lettuce and use sunflower shoots for a crunch that lasts for hours, making them perfect for meal prep. They pair beautifully with balsamic glaze, tomatoes, and feta cheese. Next, for nutty wraps and sandwiches, replace flavorless lettuce with a thick layer of sunnies. Their delightful nutty pop complements cheeses and meats. Pro tip, try them on cold avocado toast for a gourmet upgrade. Sunflower microgreens have a mild sweet taste, unlike kale or spinach. Blend a handful into your morning smoothie for a high protein and vitamin E boost, without any bitter aftertaste. They're great for picky eaters. You can also add a fresh crunch to spicy tacos and nachos, or use them as a crunchy dipper for hummus. They also work perfectly as a fresh garnish sprinkled on a hot pizza. For Indian cuisine, try these recipe hacks. Sprinkle them over poha, mix chopped shoots into paratha stuffing, top your dal tadka, or add them to your raita for texture and nutrition. Sunflower shoots are also sturdy enough for light cooking. Toss them into a stir-fry or pasta dish in the final 30 seconds. They will wilt slightly while retaining their crunch and nutty flavor, best for garlic noodles or lemon butter pasta. Next up is Section 06, Storage and Care. Proper handling is key to maximizing the freshness of our product. Follow these 3 steps for freshness. Store in the fridge at 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. Keep them dry, only washing just before consumption. And place a dry paper towel in the box to absorb moisture. When stored correctly in our breathable Green Nest packaging, sunflower shoots offer 7 to 10 days of freshness. Check if the stems are still snappy. That's when they're perfect to eat. Finally, we move to Section 07, Ordering and Promo Material, focusing on our brand promise and quality. Our brand voice is summarized by our mission statement: small seed, mighty impact. delivering nature's peak to your plate. We also offer taglines like, crunch your way to health. We guarantee quality with organic standards, HACCP hygiene practices, and a strict farm-to-door policy that ensures delivery within 4 hours of harvest. To address common questions, the shoots are nutty and sweet, not spicy. Only wash them just before eating. They are 100% plant-based and gluten-free. We hope this video helps you introduce our sunnies to your customers.